This video is a little summary on how to go about completing your project. So go to week 2, day 2 of unit 6, and we've got the ecosystems project overview. So if you have any questions about what needs to go into my project, this is where you want to go. Unit 6, week 2, day 2, got the overview. And in there is a list of everything that must be in your project. And it also shows what the extra credits are. Now, over the next 2 weeks, this week and next, I've made 3 assignments that you must turn in, but they will help you complete your project. So if we look at this week, tomorrow on Wednesday, you have an assignment called Organisms and Abiotic Factors. And when you click in there, you're going to see, here's the instructions of what you're going to do. There are more instructions inside the document. But you click on the Google Doc. When you complete the Google Doc, you're going to turn that into me. After you've completed that Google Doc, that information is just what you need in your project. So you can copy and paste from the Google Doc into your final project. And we have a similar assignment or another assignment like that, interactions and works cited, on Friday of this week. So again, there's a Google Doc, instructions on how to do it, and when you're all done, copy and paste it into your slide presentation, and you're on your way to being done. Now, next week, I have 1 day of next week posted, and it's the last of these assignments that's going to help you complete your project. So it's called Energy and Food Chain. And we go in there again, we'll click on it, and you'll see the instructions. And let's just take a look at this one in more depth. So we'll click on it, we'll look at the Google Doc. And in here, it's got the instructions. So you're going to add 10 organisms, the 10 that you did in your assignment that you're doing tomorrow. You're going to populate the name of the organism in this side of the chart. And then you're going to write how it obtains energy. Is it a producer, a consumer, or a decomposer on this side of the chart? That's part 1 of the assignment. Part 2 is create an illustrated food chain from your ecosystem. You must have at least 4 organisms. Now for this rough draft, all you need to do is have the name of the organism and the arrow indicating the flow of energy. So think about who gets the energy, the organism being eaten or the organism that is eating. So who's getting the energy? And the head of the arrow points to the organism that's getting the energy. So for this one, again, just has to be the words with the arrows. The final draft must be illustrated. You can use images from the web, remember to cite them properly, or you can make a hand-drawn food chain if you like. I love to see the hand-drawn ones. I love to see your artistic abilities. Just make sure you have access to a scanner so that you can scan it, and then you can put that scan into your final presentation. So hopefully that helps. All these assignments are available in Schoology now for those of you who want to work ahead. For those of you who just want to work at a regular daily pace, as long as you do each day's assignment, you'll be ready for turning in your project in plenty of time next week, next Friday. Not this Friday, May 22nd, next Friday.